YouTubers. Got a MS270 that was crushed. Small tree, big enough. It broke the recoil and this fan shroud. Messed up some buffers, and there might be something else, but overall, pretty cool. So we're going to fix it, and this saw is a little different than most homeowner saws. It has a hybrid body to it. This part is magnesium, like a pro saw, and this is plastic, like a homeowner saw. And of course, this is the part that's broken. So I went on the bay and bought replacement parts used that I mean, they sent them to me. They were pretty dirty, and I didn't want to work with them, so I washed them. So they're ready to use, just letting them dry. And something else I'd like to show you. I think it's fairly interesting, and it worked out for me. So, but if I tell you about it and you do something like this, you'll be aware of it. They changed the flywheel and the recoil, and they did it so that it is less prone to get dust, water, rain, whatever in it. And the way they did it was the recoil has a channel that fits over the flywheel, and it fits down in a groove. Well, my flywheel is old school. It's got the integrated key there. Let's see, I think it shows us a better drawing in here. You see, there's a channel that runs around there. It's not here. And then your rope rotor, which is in your recoil, that part there, has this channel on it, so it fits into it. And then the nut, this area in here, stays cleaner, drier. So I've got the correct parts. The recoil and the flywheel will work fine together. Now, I've never taken one of these apart. I've already got a couple of screws out, and there is a spring back here, and we know that springs are under pressure, so I'm not exactly sure how this is going to play out, but we'll see. And it seems like they all use the same size screw, which is great. Or so far, anyway. Yeah, here's another one. Are you in the know there? Okay. I think I'm going to go take a quick read on the manual and I'll be back. Okay, I went and checked the manual. I'm doing it right. I think that spring got jammed down in there. There we go. Now we've got some wires up here. We got to unroute. Sorry. Got a washer on that one. Washer on that one. Well, the spring came back up. I don't think there's a problem with that. The seal area doesn't look disturbed. But you know, there's nothing wrong with doing a pressure test. Well, I'm definitely going to have to take the handle off. And I'm going to, guess we'll replace that one while I'm at it. I mean, can you see that sprocket? And then look at the chain guard. The sprocket looks bad enough to where that chain was slipping off and causing problems. At least once. This saw's in really good shape. I mean, it doesn't look like it had a whole lot of use to it. Okay, I'm gonna make a list, check it twice, and we will come back and take it apart, put the new parts on, and reassemble it.